Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. So in today's video, we're going to be doing some yard work. So let's get started. Now, I really like the size of this space right here right to the left of my front door. And it's all filled with weeds and it's just so hot and dry here. I'm going to go ahead and start pulling these weeds by the roots, and let's see. I just want to at least get the area nice and clean. So, wow, it's hot. Threw a baseball cap on and we're gonna start working, guys. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. All right, so I have a couple of open playlists on this channel here. This channel I created, it's more home life. So let me tell you what the collaborations that I hold here on this channel. So we have quick and easy meals, and that's every Sunday at 7. And that playlist gets updated on that day. Now, the two open playlists that I have get updated every Monday, regardless of whenever you upload your video. And that is the cleaning, the home cleaning motivation. And then we have the foodie grocery haul. So both of those are self-explanatory and they get updated on Mondays at 7. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and play some music for you while I get started with this yard work. It doesn't seem like it's a very big space, but when it's very hot, I don't know. I was very exhausted when I was done with this, but I was so pleased at the end result. Now, I would love to have you guys join me in my open playlist, and all of those are always in my community tab. I'm really happy with the results, guys. It looks beautiful. Let's head on over to the reveal. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.